Here's a quick look through at my Happiest Place workshop. There is a basic cutting guide for these with some bonus feature that is available in my workshop private group. The bonus features are not included in the cutting guide, but each layout unit has those features listed out and what you will need for those bonus features and special videos on how to put them together. This is the first layout. Has an extra special feature that is a little shaker. The second layout, 2020, what a ride this year has been. This is the basic layout that is in the cutting guide. The bonus feature is this 6x12 flip flap at the top. This is the basic layout featured in the cutting guide, but the bonus feature that you will find for this is the added 4x6 flip flaps. All of these bonus features are optional. You do not have to add them. You can if you like. Here is the basic layout and the bonus feature, which adds a 3x4 journaling card. The next layout, the bonus features on this layout are 3x3 flip flaps and 4x3 flip flaps with tabs to flip them up and out and up. This is the bonus feature on this layout. The last layout has a bonus feature of a 6x12 flip flap. So all of the bonus features are optional and you can add them. You can add them by utilizing the scraps that you have left from the basic workshop. I think just one might have to have additional candy apple cardstock added. But this is my workshop and it is available in my private Happiest Place virtual workshop group. And all that you have to do to be included in that Facebook group is to order the Happiest Place paper pack and sticker sheet and the Happiest Place coordinating cardstock. There are additional items used and needed throughout this workshop to create your layouts to look exactly like mine. And I have that supply list listed over on my blog at gmbscrapper.blogspot.com. Look for the Happiest Place virtual workshop supply list.